After turning on the machine, adjust the gear to 1 and turn the throttle to see if the speed is 9 mph. Similarly, adjust the gear to 2 and 3, turn the throttle to see if the speed is 9 mph. If the speed is very slow, there is something wrong with the controller. First, loosen the screws under the rear seat cushion and pull out the seat cushion. Take out the controller and check whether the cable is connected well. First, check the switch cable, connectors, and reconnect them. Check whether the motor cables are connected properly. Then find the Hall cable connector and open the pins of the connector you want to observe. If the pin is crooked, you need to use a tool to straighten it, and then align and connect the cable interface. In another case, if a pin falls out of the interface, it will cause a short circuit in the connection. You need to push the pin back into the interface and then connect the cable. Finally, turn on the power. Record a 20-second video of the controller flashing and send the video back to us. We will determine the problem based on the video.